Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready. Business Manager, an ad account, and a working Meta pixel. Install and test it. Next, import your first-party lists and map CRM fields so Facebook can match users. This improves reach and lowers cost. Once done, sketch 3 primary audience hypotheses: demographic core, behavior-based, and custom customer lists. Make sure to note where each hypothesis sources its signals: pixel, engagement, or CRM, because that determines which targeting and optimization strategies you'll use next. You now construct layered audiences. Start with custom audiences from pixel events and customer lists, then create lookalikes at 1% and broader at 5-10% to scale. Next, apply detailed targeting layers, interests, and behaviors to refine ad delivery. This lowers wasted impressions. Once done, use exclusions. Exclude converters or existing customers to prevent audience cannibalization. Make sure to set the correct attribution window and campaign objective aligned to your funnel stage. Because optimization signals determine who Facebook prioritizes, you finish by testing and scaling systematically. Launch a /B tests for audience segments and creatives, then measure CPA and ROAS to identify winners. Once a variant wins, scale gradually. Raise budget 10 to 20% every 48 to 72 hours to avoid disrupting Facebook's learning phase. If problems arise, troubleshoot by checking pixel diagnostics, reducing audience overlap, and reviewing frequency and ad fatigue. Finally, iterate on segmentation and creative, because continuous refinement keeps costs down and maintains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.